Hi everybody, got a tune-up report for you today. This is for Roberto in New Jersey. It's a Galaxy DX-47HP. It's their new color changing version. Let's check it out over here, Roberto. On this meter here we're looking at 10 watts across the top scale. Power's turned all the way down on this radio. See, it's about 3, a little over. Okay. I'll have it on at 100 watts across here. There's 20, there's 40, 30s right in between there. Oops. And power up, it's just about 30, maybe a little bit more. Get in focus here, okay. 250 watt slug would be reading power across the top. There's 100, there's 150, about right in the middle of 125 or so.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. This goes down here.